The original sugar room included 4 vertical poly tanks and 1 horizontal jacketed tank. These tanks were in awful condition with multiple prior repairs being done. They could not be cleaned in place and were not capable of the high fructose corn syrup addition we wanted to make. This addition continues to make us the most flexible for future NBD projects and decreases overall cost and risk for the plant. For engineering, it was decided that the fabrication and installation of 6 vertical stainless steel tanks would be done. This included all new piping, pumps, instrumentation, and capability to be cleaned in place. Before the plant shutdown occurred, pre-outage work was completed. Tank field acceptance testing was done in Missouri with the tank manufacturers. Once the tanks were ready, 2 tanks were sent to a fabrication shop where all of the piping was pre-cut and welded to make in-field assembly as efficient as possible. When the piping was finished, an FAT was completed for the piping as well. The piping was then taken to a different site so that passivation could be performed and signed off on. Other prep work included draining of the tanks, pipe and electrical destruction, and contractor scheduling. Because the processing area is a Class 1 DIB 1 area, a temporary wall was built before block wall demo of the sugar room and welding in the processing tanks began. When the block wall to the sugar room was taken down, the 1 horizontal tank was removed and the 4 poly tanks were destroyed before being discarded of. The floor was cleaned and carefully marked before the process of bringing in the new tanks began. The rigging crew carefully brought each tank in on its side and then stood them up vertically in the proper orientation before anchoring. Bulk unloading installation included 3 new sugar unload lines, automated valves, pressure gauges, and an outdoor HMI panel for easier flexibility. A new awning is also going to be installed to provide better coverage of the equipment. Inside, you can find the 6 6,000-gallon stainless steel tanks that were installed. These tanks are equipped with 3 sugar lines each, a CIP header, automated valves, and UV filters which are side-mounted for accessibility. 4 PD pumps with CIP capability were installed. Tanks 5 and 6 each have their own pump, whilst tank 1 and 2 share, and 3 and 4 share as well. A label flow panel which features the new 3-inch HFCS line makes for easy transfer to the processing area. A second HMI touchscreen control panel can also be found in the sugar